Oh. Oh, y'all. Yes, sir. Y'all, today we're gonna be making this bomb-ass berry juice. This juice has a creaminess to it, but it's nice and lightened by the cucumber juice. Y'all, talk about a high boost of antioxidant and hydration. Don't play with it, girl. This is 6-ounce blackberries, just like a little small container, and then 16-ounce for the strawberries, one of the big boys. Okay. So I'm not taking the skins off of the strawberry skins. I'm not gonna take the tops, the flowers, whatever you wanna call it, off the strawberries because I just feel like that's unnecessary. Look at that line riding. Look. Let me get her on down. Hold on. Last line. Okay, that cucumber is going to take us right to where we need to be because right now it's only 15 ounces. So all that cucumber should get us a full jar. I'm just gonna garnish it with some cilantro. Should I give me a couple ice cubes? I don't know. Actually, whoa! You know what? A lot didn't fall, but some fell. I made 35 ounces. And top her off. And there you have it. Look at how pretty. How cute. I know you want a little sip, but you can't have none of this, baby. Oh, you know what? Hold up. That's good. That's good. Try this juice, y'all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys for the next video.